I never imagined in I could create an entire documentary movie for free just from a single chat message. I typed one instruction and this film was created. Let me show you the preview.
I thought the fire was gone. Years of silence, of watching the world forget. But the frame still waits for me, and I owe it one last story. Lights, camera.
The city runs on algorithms now. Slick, flawless, and cold, but the stories I keep.
And now you can do this too. Simply visit youart.ai. The link is in the description and pinned comment. If this is your first time, just sign up and log in. You'll get 100 free AI credits to test everything. Once inside, I didn't touch timelines. I didn't build workflows. I just spoke like a filmmaker. This is the exact instruction I gave UArt. I want to create a cinematic future documentary titled The Last Human Filmmaker. Set it in a world where AI has replaced all filmmakers, and one human makes the final film before disappearing. Dark, emotional visuals, slow pacing, documentary tone. And then I hit send. Something interesting happened. UArt didn't start generating random visuals. It opened a brand new workflow and began thinking like a director. It understood the story instantly. A near future world. AI creates every film, and one human decides to make the last. Then it broke the film down emotionally, not technically. Melancholy, defiance, nostalgia, isolation, and finally, bittersweet hope. This wasn't an AI listing feature. This was an AI understanding a story. But then it gave an important warning. Pure photorealism might look real, but it breaks consistency in AI films. So instead, it suggested cinematic styles that still feel like a documentary, but work perfectly with AI storytelling. Dark graphic novel noir, stylized shadows, controlled realism. At this point, the story was locked. The emotions were locked. Now there was only one question left. Who is the last human filmmaker? And that's where phase 2 begins. I gave UArt a clear instruction. This is exactly what I typed. The emotional arc is perfect. Keep all 5 emotions. Choose a dark graphic novel / noir cinematic style. Proceed to phase 2, character design for the last human filmmaker. Then I hit send. Instead of asking me to design characters manually, UArt built the workflow on its own. It automatically created 3 nano banana nodes, one for the human, one for the AI entity, and one to merge them into a character reference sheet. And here's the important part. Each nano banana node used only 4 AI credits. That means full character design for less than the cost of a single video generation. First, it designed the human, an aging filmmaker, silver-streaked hair, a jacket carrying the weight of forgotten film festivals. This is Elias Vance, the last human filmmaker. Then it designed the contrast, cold, faceless, geometric, a presence built from data and precision. This is Axiom, the AI collective. Finally, it merged both characters into a single reference sheet. This becomes the visual memory of the film. Every scene from here on stays consistent. No drifting faces, no style breaks. At any point, if you want to change a character, you can simply edit the prompt and hit run. And if you want to regenerate all characters together, just click run all. For this example, the characters were perfect, so we moved forward. With both characters approved, it was time to turn ideas into scenes. This is exactly what I typed. Approve both characters as final. Use the merged character reference sheet for all scenes. Proceed to phase 3, scene planning for the documentary. And I hit send. This time, UArt didn't generate visuals, it planned the film. Before spending a single credit, it structured the entire documentary. 8 scenes, perfectly paced, each tied to emotion, not random shots, not AI noise, a real documentary blueprint. Once the scene plan was approved, I gave UArt the next instruction. Approve all planned scenes. Create Sora 2 video nodes for each scene. Connect all scenes to the character reference sheet. And then I hit send. This is where everything came together. UArt automatically created 8 Sora 2 video nodes, one for each scene. Every scene was connected to the same character reference, and here's what most people care about. Each Sora 2 scene costs only 5 AI credits, so the entire 64-second cinematic documentary was generated using surprisingly few credits. But UArt still didn't generate anything yet. It paused and asked for confirmation. No wasted credits, no accidental runs. Once I confirmed, I typed one final command: run all 8 Sora 2 scene nodes, and then the film started making itself. All 8 scenes generating in parallel. Same faces, same lighting, same emotional continuity. This didn't feel like prompting anymore. It felt like directing. And finally, to assemble everything, I typed proceed to phase 6, final assembly and stitching, and I hit send. UArt didn't ask questions. It didn't ask for timelines or transitions. It already knew the structure. It stitched all 8 scenes in the exact order they were planned in just a few seconds. The final film is ready, a complete future documentary, written by intent, designed by AI, directed by AI and human. This is the last human filmmaker. And before we preview the final result, at any stage, you can change a scene by simply updating the prompt. You can switch the visual model with one click, or adjust resolution, duration, and settings from any node. Now, let's preview the final result.
Thought the fire was gone. Years of silence, of watching the world forget. But the frame still waits for me, and I owe it one last story. Lights, camera.
The city runs on algorithms now. Slick, flawless, and cold. But the stories I keep, they breathe.
No camera, no crew, just an idea turned into a film. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and start creating your first AI movie for free today. And if you watch till the end, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss powerful AI tutorials like this. Completely free. I'll see you in the next one.